To convert PDF files to Word documents, the best tool to use is I Love PDF. To access I Love PDF, simply head on to ilovepdf.com/PDF to Word, or from the home page, hover the navbar. Under the Convert from PDF, click on Word to PDF. Once you're on the Word to PDF interface, click on this red Select PDF File button. Select the PDF you want to convert to Word document, and now you have this uploaded. You have two options here, no OCR and OCR. To go for OCR, you will need to upgrade to Premium, but this usually works sufficiently. What you just have to do is click on the Convert to Word PDF at the bottom right corner of the screen, and it's converting, as you can see. Now the conversion is complete. Your PDF has been converted to an editable Word document. What you need to do is click on Download Word. Now to check the file, just head on to your device file Explorer. As you can see, this is the file here. Click to open. Our PDF has been converted to a Word document. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.